Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to manage call vibration settings in Telegram. Understanding these options helps you customize your notifications so you never miss an important call or get disturbed at the wrong time. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings from the list. Scroll down and choose Notifications and Sounds. Find the Calls section and tap on Vibrate. Here, you can choose from several options. Disable vibration, use the default pattern, long, short, or vibrate only in silent mode. Select the option that best fits your needs. That's all for managing call vibration in Telegram. Adjusting these settings helps you stay connected without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below.